Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw and color a super cute sunflower step by step. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw the pistil, a big round circle right in the center, just like this. Next, I'll add the flower petals. I draw them all around the circle, overlapping like little sun rays. Sunflowers have lots and lots of beautiful petals. This flower always turns its face toward the sun. That's why it's called a sunflower. Draw the stem, and then some big, leafy leaves on each side. Time to make everything stand out. I'll use a black marker to trace over our lines and make the sunflower really pop. Oh, and we can't forget a sweet little face. Let's draw two happy eyes and a smiling mouth right on the sunflower's pistil. So cute! Now let's move on to coloring. I'll start with yellow for the petals, so bright and sunny. I'll also use yellow for the pistil to keep it warm and cheerful. Green to color the stem and leaves. Look how fresh and lively it looks. You did an amazing job! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more fun and colorful drawings. See you in the next video. Goodbye!